If you're considering signing up for Wix to give your website a makeover or even start one from scratch, then you're going to want to watch this video. I've been using Wix for a long time now, and in this video, I'll tell you everything you should know before signing up for yourself. And while Wix is no perfect website building platform, I'm still going to continue using it over other tools I've tried before, and in this video, I'll cover why. And if at any point while watching you decide to give Wix a try too, there's a discount link in the video description below that I found online. It saved me some money when I first signed up. All right, let's get started. So basically, Wix.com is a website builder that can help you create a website that matches whatever you had in mind, either business or personal project. Kind of like a workshop, but digital. A bit of background, my online marketing business is definitely very dependent on a solid online presence. That's why I need tools like Wix. What I liked specifically about this one was the simplicity. Drag and drop, a nice variety of design opportunities, and lots of tools to help you tailor the website to your specific needs. But the initial price tag is definitely something to consider since it's not small. But with that discount link I mentioned earlier, you'll save a nice chunk of change on Wix. So definitely take advantage of it should you decide to give it a go. And Wix is definitely worth it in my opinion, even considering the price. If you've stuck around till now, I appreciate it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found this video helpful at all, and leave any and all questions in the comment section down below for me, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.